Join me as I take on the challenge of living my best life while being broke. Can I do it without breaking the bank? I'm super excited to dive into this topic because let's be real, who doesn't want to live large without spending a fortune? There's this common misconception that you need to have a lot of money to enjoy life, and I think that's just not true. Many of us struggle with finances, and it can be really tough to make ends meet. I've been there too, where it feels like no matter how hard you work, you're just not getting ahead. You start to feel like you're missing out on all the fun because you can't afford it. People often think that if you're not making a certain amount of money, you can't possibly have a good time. They assume that you need to be wealthy to travel, to eat at nice restaurants, or to attend cool events. But the truth is, there are so many ways to have amazing experiences without breaking the bank. You just have to be a little creative and resourceful. Financial struggles can be really overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in feeling like you're not good enough or that you're not living the life you want. But I want to encourage you to shift your mindset and start thinking about all the things you can do, rather than all the things you can't. You might be surprised at how much fun you can have on a limited budget. One of the best ways to live large on a budget is to find free events in your area. Look for outdoor concerts, festivals, or movie screenings, and take advantage of them. You can also try cooking at home instead of eating out, and get creative with new recipes. And if you're feeling adventurous, consider budget-friendly travel options like road trips or camping. When it comes to travel, you don't have to break the bank to have an amazing experience. Look for affordable accommodations, and try to visit places during the off-season. You can also use travel rewards credit cards or sign up for flight alerts to get notified when prices drop. And don't be afraid to try new things, like hitchhiking or staying in hostels. I've had some amazing experiences on a limited budget, and one of my favorites was a road trip I took with friends to the beach. We packed a cooler with food and snacks, and spent the day soaking up the sun and playing games. It was such a simple but fun day, and it didn't cost us much at all. We also tried geocaching, which is like a treasure hunt, and it was such a blast. Another time, I decided to try a new recipe at home instead of going out to eat. I made a big pot of pasta and invited some friends over, and we had a great time just hanging out and chatting. It was a really low-key but enjoyable evening, and it didn't break the bank. These experiences taught me that you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a good time. I've learned that it's all about being resourceful and creative, and finding ways to make the most of what you have. Whether it's trying new recipes, finding free events, or taking advantage of budget-friendly travel options, there are so many ways to live large on a budget. So, be sure to check out another one of my videos for more money-saving hacks, and let me know in the comments if you have any tips for living large on a budget.